Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for a job that you don't need to pay an agency and you want to go to the UK without using an agency, without paying that lots and lots of money that agency do ask for, and it's for business anyway, so you have to pay. If you don't want to use that, you want something that will cost you less money, then this video is for you. And if your plan is to go to the UK and work, so guys, I have a country and I'm going to be taking you through their website. All I'm going to leave some of the website that you can use to apply for jobs in that specific country. It's a country in UK, yeah. It's a country. It's a country that is in UK, if that's the thing. So if you're applying for the visa, you'll get a UK visa, but you'll not be going to exactly UK, but you'll be going to UK, if you understand. So this specific country, they hire people from Kenya, construction worker, healthcare department, and also hospitality. There are number of Kenyans who are working there in the hospitality sector, in the healthcare sector, and also in the construction center sector, right? There's an agency that was doing that for free, and it's always on demand, because anytime they have openings, anytime they announce that they have like openings for specific jobs opening in that country, a lot of people do apply for those jobs. But again, there are successful stories of people who have applied for those jobs directly. Okay, directly. And I think the best time to start working there is in March, April, when winter is about to end and summer is approaching. And I think this is the best time to start doing the application and also looking for these jobs. You can apply for these jobs in this specific country through LinkedIn or directly to the government website. Also, there's some company you can apply directly with company website, but I always say and insist, if you're a career person, if you've done hospitality and you have a specific position that you're looking for, have a LinkedIn account. It will save you a lot. You'll be able to see jobs openings, you'll be able to see companies that are hiring, and you'll be able to present yourself, because LinkedIn is like a CV. Okay, it's like a CV for you, because it shows your experience, it shows what you're doing currently, and it's easy for the company or the employer to identify you quickly. But at the same time, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can also apply directly through the website with your CV and also other supporting document. So here we are talking about Jersey or Guernsey Island. Those two islands, they do hire Kenyans. They like Kenyans, by the way. There are a lot of Kenyans who are working there. There are also Ugandans, Jamaicans, I think South Africans also go to work there. Zimbabweans. I have a lot of subscribers from Zimbabwe who watch me. A lot of people from the Philippines, they go there. But if you can be able to apply for these jobs in construction, healthcare, and also hospitality, then this video is for you. For those who have done CNAs and I think healthcare assistant courses and you have experience, you can also try your luck with this by applying for these positions in this Jersey Island. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you some of this website and also leave a link of some other website that you can use to apply for jobs in Jersey Island. So guys, let's get into the website. I take you through and see what next. This is where you find jobs opportunity in Jersey or Guernsey Island, and you can apply for these positions. Sorry, I have some cold. So what happened is you go for quality, not quantity. So don't just send your CV everywhere. Just think about the position that you want, either in healthcare, hospitality, or in construction, and then apply. The website is www.gov.je. Okay, this is where you search for your jobs. So as you can see, 5 years resident not required. So this is a full-time cleaner / driver. It's closing on 20th of October, and then there's active cleaning. So these are the jobs that you apply for. There's permanent, and then there's full-time. Such kind of job, you can go ahead and apply. So they say, cleaners or drivers, we are recruiting cleaners with a driving license to our full-time day team. The job is to clean private properties, and we are offer 600 pounds per hour to the right candidate. 5-year residence is not a requirement, to include 3 weeks holiday per day holiday pay and other benefits. Requirement is CV, driving license, and reference. How to apply? You will send an email, and then there is contact person, Miss Carlos, and then there is the email that you need to send and stuff. Okay, so and then you can come down here and do what we call what do you call, like filtering. Okay, so how long have you lived in Jersey? You can either more than 5 years, less than 5 years. Okay, you can choose depending on what you're looking for. And for example, if you choose less than 5 years, full-time, and then search, I've not filtered the type of jobs. There's 173 current vacancies in private sector, and you can come here now. You'll see this jobs opportunity. Okay, this one is in the health, because they need a GDC dentist. They are saying it's negotiable. It was posted on 15th. I think it's today, as I'm finishing up this tutorial. There's sales executive, there's weekend bar staff, part-time, that is part-time, assistant cleaning manager. There's these jobs here, even the barista. All these jobs you can apply for. It's a full-time, and then it was posted on 12th of October. There's chef, permanent and full-time. So these hospitality jobs are always on demand, construction jobs, and also healthcare. And as I told you, you can either apply directly with this website, or you can use LinkedIn. But this is where you get like legit jobs, because it's the government website for people who want to apply for jobs in Jersey Island. Okay, so we go down. There's carpenter. There are quite a number of jobs, and all you need is to apply for these jobs. Healthcare assistant, full-time. So there's this one here, and for example, let me click on it. It was posted on that. It's quite a number. Full-time. We provide care to clients from 1 hour to 24 hours in their homes. So you can lead through the jobs. You will need a valid driving license, good levels of spoken English and written English, and you have 2 years experience from working in a similar position. Okay, so this is what they need. There's online email, and then you can apply, or you can send your email. Okay, so as you can see, it's easy to maneuver in this website, very easy. So guys, check it out. Try to apply as many positions as you can that are